In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Jotform after submission. Navigating the intricacies of your forms can sometimes be overwhelming, but I'm here to simplify that process for you. Whether you're seeking to make small tweaks or significant revisions, these steps will ensure your forms are always up to date and tailored to your needs. Let's start with opening your form. This part is quite straightforward. Simply log into your Jotform account and navigate to your dashboard, where you'll see a list of all your forms. Identify the form you wish to edit, and with a simple click on it, you're ready to bring up a variety of options. This is where the journey of editing begins. Once your form is open, focus on clicking Edit Form. This option is designed to unlock all the editable sections of your form, giving you the freedom to alter various elements as per your requirement. You'll find this option on the toolbar, usually located at the top or within the form options. By selecting Edit Form, you gain the ability to modify the design and content, offering you a hands-on approach to perfecting your work. This brings us to the exciting part, making changes. Whether your goal is to add new fields for extra information, remove those that are no longer relevant, or refine the text for better clarity, this space is yours. Feel free to experiment and adjust every aspect, ensuring the final version aligns perfectly with your intentions. Take this opportunity to closely examine each element, ensuring its necessity and effectiveness. Remember, your form is a reflection of what you want from your respondents, so make it count. After you've made your desired changes, it's crucial to click Save. This is a step you can't afford to overlook. By clicking Save, you ensure that all the adjustments are locked in, and your form is ready for future use. The Save button is typically located at the top or bottom of the editor, a bright, visually conspicuous button to confirm your amendments. Think of this not just as a safekeeping action, but a moment to breathe life into your new creation. Here's an important note to remember. Existing submissions will not be altered with these updates. This is a key point to keep in mind. Your past data remains untouched and secure, which is essential for maintaining consistency and record accuracy. However, every new submission will adapt to the updated form, ushering in the revisions you've just implemented. It ensures that from this point forward, you gather exactly the information you need in precisely the format you designed. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to expertly edit your Jotform after submission. With these straightforward steps, you're empowered to manage and refine your forms with confidence and ease. Each change not only represents an evolution of your requirements, but also brings you closer to achieving comprehensive feedback from your audience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy form editing.